In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a video with chapters and with a lead capture form. In this specific case, we're going to be walking through how to create a real estate video where the video is a home walkthrough and the chapters represent different bedrooms or different parts of the home in the walkthrough. This training would apply though to any video where you want to apply chapters and a lead capture form. So to start off, we're on the Create Projects page and we're going to click on Video. We're not going to use any of these other options here because this example we're not going to add any questions, and so the video poll and the video survey, etc. we don't need to use. We're simply going to add some chapters and a lead capture form. So create a video project, and then I'm going to create a new video project rather than copying from previous. And we'll give this a project title, and we'll just call this Home Walkthrough. And then it's going to ask me to select a template. The templates basically are about what size I want this to start out as. Once I put this on my page, I can adjust the size to any size that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this default, which is 620 pixels wide, as a starting point. The next step it's going to ask me to do is upload my video. So I'll click on Upload. I've got the video already. In this training, we're not going to go through how to create the actual video file or how to shoot a video. We can cover that in other trainings. For this one, I already have a video that is a home walkthrough, and I'm going to upload it and add some chapters and a lead capture form. So I click Upload, and it opens up a folder on my computer where I can select the video. So I have this home walkthrough MP4 file, and I click Open, and then that uploads my video. So that video upload will take anywhere from just a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how big your video file is and how fast your internet connection is. In this case, it's pretty quick, and now I have the video uploaded into the system. And then it's going to take a couple of minutes to process the video. What's happening there is it's actually creating multiple versions of your video for different devices. So if someone's watching it on a mobile phone and they're on a slow internet connection speed, it's going to process your video for different devices and different internet connection speeds. So I've now got the video in there, and the next thing that I want to do is choose my video settings. So I'm going to click on Video Settings here at the top. I'm going to choose to allow users to have full control, which means they can skip ahead, around in the video, move wherever they want. Pause play is also a popular option where they can't move forward or backward, but they can simply pause the video if they want. I'm going to choose full control, and I'm also going to use progressive download for the video distribution. This is something you don't need to worry about too much. Progressive download is just one way to stream video, and I like that option, so I'm going to choose that. And I am going to choose to show the current time and the full duration of the video. So it'll basically say, it'll show them how long the video is and at what point they are in the video. So I'm going to choose that option as well. And I want the video to begin playing when someone clicks play rather than right when they open the web page. So I'm going to choose the option, the video begins playing when someone clicks play, and then save those options. And you can see my video is there. I'm going to now go to Customize, and under Customize, I'm going to set up the video chapters. So in the video chapters section, I can choose Add New Chapter, and that will allow me to create my first chapter. The default title there would just be Chapter 1, but because mine's a real estate walkthrough, I am going to title my first chapter Dining Room. And I know from my video that the dining room portion of the video is at 10 seconds, and so I'm going to save that. And now you can see I have a chapter that is dining room at 10 seconds. And then my next chapter is the living room, and the living room is at 20 seconds into my video. And my next chapter is the kitchen. So I just type in the title there, and that one's at 30 seconds. And the next one is the family room. And that one started at 50 seconds. And my next chapter is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom started at 60 seconds. And then I'm going to add more here, but I think we've covered enough on how to add those chapters. I'm going to add a couple of other chapters for the master bathroom, the other bedrooms, the covered patio, and then the property in general. There's a section of the video that just talks about the property. The setup process is exact same as what I just showed. But the last one I want to show is, we're going to call it Contact Me. And this is the one where someone can click on and it will take them to the lead capture form where they can enter their name and email to be contacted by me, the creator of the video, who is the real estate agent that's going to help them with their listing. And that one is near the very end of the video, and it's going to be at 100 and about 18 seconds. So I will save that one as the final chapter, the Contact Me chapter, and I'll add some other chapters in there as well, as I mentioned. The other thing that I want to do is select Enable Video Chapters so that this is enabled. And then if I scroll down, I want the chapters. There's going to be a chapters bar that appears to the right on the right-hand side of the video. You can choose to have that only appear when they mouse over the video, or you can have it show always. I'm going to choose Show Always, and then just hit Save or Submit here. And now my video chapters are saved. A couple of other quick settings. The lead capture form. I mentioned I want to have a lead capture form where they can, after they're watching this video, this home tour, they can enter their information so I can capture it. And the first option there is to choose where you want that lead form to display. I'm going to choose at the very end of my video. So at the end of the home tour is going to be where this lead capture form appears. And I'm going to ask for their email address, their first name, their last name, and their phone number. And I'm going to require, meaning they can't fill it out, if they don't put at least their first name, their phone number, and their email. Last name I'm not as concerned about, so I'm not going to require it. And then the text that will appear on that form, I am going to write, please enter your information if you would like me to contact you about this property. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now I have chapters in my video, I have a lead capture form in my video, and the very last thing that we'll add before we distribute this and go put it on our website is the thank you page, which basically means when they get done with the video and they fill out that lead capture form, what do you want them to see? You can write some simple text, which is what I'm going to do, or if you wanted, after they watch the video, to redirect them to a different URL. If you had like a different page that you wanted to send them to, you have that option. I'm going to keep it very simple and just say, thank you for getting in contact. We will be in touch with you shortly. Or some simple message there that they will see when after they fill in the form on the video. So go ahead and save that. And then I can go to distribute. And when I'm ready to put this on my web page, I'm going to click Embed. And under the Embed option, if I just wanted to send someone, let's say I wanted to take this video and put it on a Facebook post or tweet it out, I could just take this URL and post that, and people could go watch the video on that page. But if you want to embed it directly on your page, then you just scroll down and there's a piece of embed code that you can simply copy the embed code and put that on your page. You can also adjust the size if you want. The default that we started, as I mentioned, was 620 pixels wide. Go ahead and embed that on your page and see how it looks. If it's too big, you can come back and say, maybe I want that to just be 500, and it will automatically adjust the height to match up with the new width. And then you can copy this embed code and put that on your page. And this embed code will work for mobile responsive pages, so if someone's opening it up on their phone or their tablet, it's still going to work. And that's it for creating your video with chapters and with a lead capture form.